So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment. Soft skill development week 6 assignment 6. So the first question is according to Bayer 1995, critical thinking means making reasoned judgment. So true or false? So the answer of our first question is B, false. Now the second question is creativity within an organization is not a linear process. Is the statement true? So the answer of our second question is A, true. Now the third question is organizations must understand what inhibits creativity and innovation to foster a creative climate in the organization. Yes or no? So the answer of our third question is yes. Now the fourth question is what should you not rely on when making a judgment? So these are the option intuitions, common sense, gossip, past experience. So the answer of our fourth question is C, gossip. Now, the fifth question is critical thinking is a dash analysis process to examine what is going on in our environment. So, these are the option constructivist, reductionist, positivist, none of the above. So, the answer of our fifth question is D, none of the above. Now, the sixth question is fill in the blank. Combo chatter in a creative conservation refer to the practice of dash. So, these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is B, providing multiple diverse responses to a single thread of discussion. Now, the seventh question is assertion A, cognitive intelligence can produce technically correct solutions for tasks that are emotionally neutral. Reason R, emotional intelligence is required for every form of creativity. So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is C. A is true and R is false. Now the eighth question is fill in the blank. In decision making dash skews information toward confirming pre-existing beliefs and can cause overconfidence and errors. So these are the option cognitive reframing, confirmation bias, open-minded sampling, systematic falsification. So the answer of our eighth question is B, confirmation bias. Now the ninth question is which of the following methods is for generating creative ideas? So these are the options trial and error, means and analysis, analogies, all of the above. So the answer of our ninth question is D, all of the above. Now the tenth question is the sixth thinking heads approach was forwarded by Dash. So these are the options Short, Edward D. Bono, Goleman, Fraud. So the answer of our tenth question is B, Edward D. Bono. Now, the 11th question is which of these best illustrate black hat thinking? D. Bono. So, these are the option, and the answer of our 11th question is D. Identifying potential risk, weaknesses, and why an idea might fail. Now, the 12th question is which statement are correct? A. Mind mapping visually organizes idea around a central concept to aid brainstorming. B. Heuristic thinking guarantees accurate and optimal solution. C. Heuristics speed up decision making by simplifying complex problems. So these are the option, and the answer of our 12th question is D. Only A and C are correct. Now the 13th question is black hat thinking is most concerned with dash. So these are the option, and the answer of our 13th question is B, highlighting potential risk and weakness. Now, the 14th question is choose the most accurate statement about where creativity flourishes. So, these are the option, and the answer of our 14th question is B. Group can outperform individuals when they use structured techniques and benefit from diverse perspective. Now, the 15th question is organizational barriers to creativity can be overcome. Choose the correct ways to resolve the barriers. So these are the ways, and the option is this, and the answer of our 15th question is C. Only A, B, and C are true. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.